Hey guys, so today we're going to look at a real world problem. I have this printer at work, and whenever the papers are printing out and the wind's blowing through the shop, the wind catches the papers and just starts making them fly up. So my plan is to create something in Tinkercad that I can 3D print that I can attach to this printer so I don't have to deal with this. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hey guys, so I'm over here in Tinkercad. This is the program I love to use. It's available at tinkercad.com, and I've named this a page hold down. So here's the way I got it planned. I'm going to start out with a box. I'm going to bring it over. The tape I'm going to be using, it's a double-sided tape, is going to be about 20 millimeters tall, but lengthwise I want to give it a little bit more surface area, so I'm going to go probably about 40 wide. I think that'll be good. As far as the width, let's go ahead and knock that down to about 5 millimeters. That should be all I'll need. And then I want to just go ahead and radius the thing a little bit, make it where it's not really hard. Let's just bring it over here. So it kind of rounded it just a little bit. That'll be cool. That actually might be a little bit much. It's just like that. That'll work. And let me just go ahead and spin this over here to the side, 90 degrees. Now off of this, now the angle that's going to be on the printer is going to be similar to, I'm going to guess it's about a 12-degree angle on the front of that printer. So I'm going to want something that comes out to hold the pages, but I don't want to do it straight. I want to do it kind of a curved shape to it. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to bring over one of these roofs. I'm going to stretch it out, and I'm going to bring it probably about 100, and let's go. I'm looking at my ruler right now trying to see how far I want to take it. I actually want to go about 150 millimeters. Now this might be a little bit overkill. I don't know. Let's go. Actually, I'm going to go 152. And I'll show you why here in just a moment. There we go. Width-wise, let's go ahead and bring it to 40, so it's equal with the other piece. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm thinking of, but let's go ahead and duplicate it, and I'm going to move it down a little bit, and I'm going to turn it into a hole so that it makes it where it's just a thin piece. And that one I'm actually going to make it 45 because it's my hole, and I'm going to align it so that the hole stretches out past both sides of it. That actually looks pretty cool right there. Okay, so let me just go ahead and take that and group that together so you can get a better idea of what I'm doing there. But I also want to make it where it's kind of rounded on the end of it, because of the way the pages are going to come out from underneath it. I want to hold down good. So I'm going to just bring over a cylinder, and we're going to flip that over onto its side. Bring over here toward the end. Of course, it's going to be 40 millimeters long. Let's go ahead and make it nice and round by selecting more sides. What does bevel do? Oh, that's cool. Let's go ahead and bevel that a little bit. That looks pretty sweet like that, but that's way too big. So what I'm going to do now is take and make that, let's do it about 6 millimeters, and the height 6 millimeters. That makes it round again, and that way I can bring it right here toward that end. And this is where I'm going to have to do some playing around, because I want to just take and move it down And then I can take this and align it to the center. And that way the end, as you can see right here, the end of it is buried inside that ball, or inside that round piece. That's going to be cool. So actually I'm going to take that, I'm going to group it because it's exactly where I want it right now. And now I want to take this piece, let's rotate it slightly, and then let's move this. Oh, when in doubt, undo. Let's go ahead and bring this over here to that, and see how I'm burying it into the model, into that end piece. That's the reason why I wanted to make it a little bit longer. Probably not quite as long as I should have done it, but it'll be fine. And then let's go ahead and align that in the center. And as you can see right here, this color is buried into that, almost to the very back of it. I think that's going to be plenty strong enough like that. But if I want to, I could actually put a fillet of some sort inside there to add a little bit more strength to it. In fact, that probably wouldn't be a bad idea to do. And in order to do that, I think what I'm going to do is probably just take a cylinder, another cylinder here, and we're going to rotate that to 90 degrees, make that 40, and then we'll just go ahead and do this as a 6 millimeter, and once again another 6 millimeter. And let's go ahead and round that out pretty good. I'm not going to worry about beveling the sides on this one. And then back to 90 degrees, and let's grab hold of a little piece there. And let's take a look what that's looking like under there. That's looking pretty good actually. So let's go ahead and nope, didn't want to do that. Let's undo. Let's take that and we're going to align. There we go. Everything is aligned. Now we're going to group. And now, see, it's got that piece which is complete overkill, but at least now I know that that's going to be nice and strong there. And then let me zoom out here. We got that piece there. That's going to work good. Now, all I'm going to do is take and rotate this 90 degrees onto its side, because I'm wanting to print outside so it has plenty of strength. And raise that up even with the build plate. And there is my page hold down. And I'll go ahead and get this printed out, and then I'll show you exactly how it's going to work out on that printer. Well, let's take a look here and see how it turned out. This is with the AMZ 3D PETG. I still got to play with the temperature settings. Somehow that didn't seem like it printed right, but it adhered. That's the main thing. It was just very stringy, so I think I had it turned up too high, which is odd because the last print I did wasn't like that. It's the same temperature setting too, as 235. So I'll have to play with the temperature settings some more. That's just odd how that did. Anyway, I'll clean it up a little bit. I'll take it up there with me and let's see how it works. Okay, so the idea of this is it will just go right about there, just mainly to hold the page so that when the wind comes it won't flop it up. So I'm going to go ahead and put some double-sided tape on there and give that a shot, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, let's go ahead and get this put on. I want to go Just pull this out of the way for the moment. I go right about there. That's going to work good. It's not exactly straight. I'm going to replacing this with a one printed PLA. I don't know if you can tell, but it's warped. That's the reason why I had all those little boogers on it. And now that should work. That should keep it from flipping out. Okay guys, I'll try it a little bit later whenever we open the doors and the wind starts blowing through. There you can see it. Wind's blowing pretty good, holding the papers down. So that'll do it for this one. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video. When you get a chance, please check out my website, jimmyshawstidbits.com, where you'll be able to take and purchase merchandise like this from my TeePublic store, or go to the Amazon affiliate and be able to purchase that merchandise from there. Every little bit helps the channel. I sure appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. You can do that by clicking on the link over here. If you'd like to support the channel, please check out my Patreon page over here. And if you like to watch my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you're going to like them. Oh yeah, you're going to love them. Have a great day and take care. Bye.